If you're thinking about purchasing Wordtune, there are 12 important things you need to know before making a decision. Wordtune is one of the top generative AI writing assistants available today, but with so many options out there, you need to understand how it stacks up against the competition. The first thing to know is that Wordtune offers real-time rewriting capabilities. As you type, it suggests improvements to your sentences, helping you sound more professional or even more casual, depending on your goals. While tools like Grammarly focus more on grammar, Wordtune helps elevate the style and tone of your writing. This makes it ideal for those who want their text to flow naturally without worrying too much about mechanics. Next, Wordtune provides several modes of rewriting, like formal, casual, or shorten, giving you the flexibility to adjust the tone to match your audience. Not every writing assistant offers this level of customization. Competitors, such as Jasper, are great at generating content, but they don't focus as much on modifying the style of your existing text. So, if you're someone who already has a draft but needs it reworked, Wordtune is a good choice. The third thing to consider is that Wordtune integrates seamlessly with a variety of platforms. You can use it in Google Docs, Microsoft Word, or even on their web-based editor. While many tools like Copy.ai or WriteR offer integrations, Wordtune makes it easy to work with the most popular writing platforms without any hassle. The fourth thing is Wordtune's pricing structure. While it's affordable for individuals with a basic plan starting at $9.99 a month, when compared to competitors like Grammarly, Wordtune can be a more budget-friendly option for those looking to enhance their writing without paying for features they don't need. Next, it supports over 30 languages, making it a good option for multilingual users. Competitors like Quillbot or Grammarly may not provide the same range of language support, especially for users outside of English-speaking countries. The sixth thing to mention is its intuitive user interface. Wordtune doesn't overwhelm you with features, which can often happen with more complex AI writing tools. Its clean design makes it easy to navigate, and even beginners will feel comfortable using it right away. Moving on to the seventh point, Wordtune offers a strong plagiarism checker that compares your text to online sources to ensure originality. This is something that sets it apart from tools like Pro Writing Aid, which may lack this feature. If you're concerned about copying someone else's work, this feature will give you peace of mind. The eighth thing to note is the availability of its AI-powered sentence expansion feature. You can take a short idea and have Wordtune expand it into more detailed content. This is perfect for those in need of more content creation, a feature not found in every tool. The ninth point is its ability to suggest alternative words or phrases for better readability. Whether you're tired of using the same word over and over or just want to add variety, Wordtune offers these options to help you improve your vocabulary. Tools like Jarvis, now Jasper, may assist with content generation, but they don't always focus on small improvements like Wordtune does. Next up, the Wordtune team is constantly updating its software, rolling out new features and improvements. While competitors like Grammarly are established, Wordtune is a younger software, and that means it's often adding new functionalities, so you'll see regular improvements. The 11th thing to know is that Wordtune's free version is robust. While some writing assistants restrict key features to paid plans, the free version of Wordtune still offers plenty of value. You'll get access to basic rewriting tools and tone adjustments, which should be enough for many casual users. Finally, the 12th point is Wordtune's focus on personalized writing feedback. It provides suggestions tailored to your writing, so you're not just getting generic tips like other tools might offer. This level of personalization can make a real difference, especially for professional writers or business owners who need polished communication. All in all, Wordtune is a solid AI writing assistant, offering valuable features that can help elevate your writing. It's especially beneficial if you're looking for a tool focused on improving the style and tone of your content. But if you want a more comprehensive solution for all your writing needs, we recommend checking out our free trial of a more advanced platform that offers even more customization and support.